Hey guys, and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to cover one of the most important topics in this course, which is scaling. Scaling is so important, and if you know how to do it properly, you are gonna make a lot of money. This is the power of Facebook ads. It's scalable. If you have a physical store, you cannot scale easily. You have to invest a lot of money and time to open another physical store. If you are relying on organic traffic, you cannot scale because you have to wait until someone search for your product on Google and finds you and buy. But with Facebook and nearly 2 billion users, you can show your product in front of potential buyers all over the world and make a lot of profit in a short amount of time. So once you finish testing and found the best converting campaigns, it's time to scale. There are two ways of scaling: vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Let's begin with vertical scaling. Vertical scaling means you have to increase your budget. But the question is how to increase it. Should we increase the budget on the same winner ad set, or should we let the winner ad set running and duplicate this ad set and increase the budget on the new one? A lot of people state that increasing the budget on the winner ad set might kill sales. That's why they prefer to leave their ad set working on the same budget and duplicate it and scale on the new one. And others prefer to increase budget on the same ad set. For me, it doesn't matter. If you already made all the tests and you are respecting all the strategies I taught you in this course and already found a winner, it will sell whether you duplicated the ad set and increased the budget or whether you decided to increase the budget directly. You have to keep this in mind. If you have a converting ad set, all you have to do is to give Facebook money and it will sell. Don't waste your time on basic small tactics. What's important to know is how to scale. Well, my preferred method of scaling is step by step. What does that mean? Let's say my ad set is spending $20 per day. I would increase the budget for $25 and keep it like this for 3 days to leave the Facebook algorithm adapt and to give him time to optimize. If everything is still okay, I would move to $35 for 3 days and then to $50, then to $70, and then for $100, and then for $150, $300, then $500. I begin by increasing by small steps, and once I see that it's working, I begin to increase my steps further and further. Some people prefer to directly move from $20 to $100, maybe to $1,000, and it could work, but I prefer to be patient and increase the budget slowly. But you have always to keep in mind that a winner product will always sell as long as you give the necessary money to Facebook to optimize the ads. Another method to scale vertically is to put the best performing ad set in a CBO campaign with a big budget. For example, if you have 3 ad sets that are performing very well on a $20 per day budget each, you can duplicate them into a CBO and put $100 per day for all of them and let them compete. And then if you see that the campaign is working well, you increase the budget step by step. Now, after a certain point, after you have made a lot of sales, your CTR will begin to drop down and your CPP, cost per purchase, or your CPL, cost per lead, will go up because your ad will become repetitive and annoying to your audiences. At this moment, you need to start to think about scaling horizontally. Scaling horizontally means you need to start searching for new audiences. You can start by creating a set of different lookalike audiences. You can start searching for new audiences, or you can also start thinking about advertising in other countries or maybe worldwide targeting. And if you are making money for more than 4 months with this product, create your brand. Rent a warehouse in the country in which you have the most sales. This will reduce the delay of shipping and this will make you unbeatable. Imagine when you can deliver the product in 1 or 2 days while all the other competitors deliver it in 2 weeks. So let's sum everything up. I recommend you to start scaling vertically by increasing the budget in small steps. Then, when you reach a certain threshold where the CPP is too high, you start thinking about scaling horizontally by using lookalike audiences and by searching for other profitable audiences. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you understood well how you are going to scale your ads and your business. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next lecture.